Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
So when you are selecting, see these fields, these employee-related portlets. This is the standard one. Okay, this is standard one. So when you are hiring, had we completed add new employee functionality? Yes, we did. So if you remember when we hired a user, at that time we have gone with 4 sections, right? Identity, personal information, job information and compensation, right? Yeah. So when you are going and filling that particular field, you can see that field is already showing there, right? In the form. Okay, so how the fields are coming from here? The fields are coming. Okay, got it. So, first of all, when you are going and creating, when you're adding a new employee, what you are selecting, your legal entity, right? Yes, legal entity. So, when you are selecting a legal entity, legal entities already connected with a country, right? Yes. So when you are selecting a legal entity, system already updates the job information also. That this is for this country and for that country. This custom field should be visible. Okay, in that way, system automatically changes that custom field for that particular country. So when HR or when a recruiter, somebody who will do the hiring of the user with the help of adding employee, they can able to see that particular field for that particular country. Okay, so these are the ones which are getting reflected in the annual. Yes, correct. Now you can able to correlate, right? Whatever. So sometimes, while practicing, somebody would have already added some field which is not relevant, and you want to remove that field or you want to make it, you want to hide that field. So in that case, also suppose in the personal info, when you go into this, you can see some fields are there where you want to hide that field. So you can go here and you can able to keep it enabled or disable it. Got it. Okay, so you can also go and see here. What are the custom fields can you see here? How many custom fields are created, which is showing here. And you can see. You need to check which is enabled. So whichever is enabled, that will be showing in the add new employee. Okay, whichever is showing us, no, that is not reflecting. Okay, got it. Same case applies to import employee data also. Now you created a custom field here and now you are downloading this one vertical UDF file, right, or basic import file. So there also that the custom field will be reflecting. Okay, yes. Okay, and see whatever, change whatever, because this is the foundation, this is the base of the employee related. Although we are doing earlier, we were doing it from the SDM, that is, from the succession data model. Okay, now we have an option to do it from the front end, that is, from the instance. The help of manage business configuration. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Any questions from your end? So here when you go and see this as I shown you for personal info. If I will go to the email info. I go to the email info. You can see what are the email info. This is the label, right? Email label. And here you can see label under the his field. What all things are there? Label is there. Email type, email address is primary, right? So if you want to go and see where it is, you can see contact information, right? This one. Okay, so when you open this, you can see email type. Email address is primary. Can you see this field? Yes. This is the three fields from where it is coming from here. And you can see, all the three fields are enabled. All the three fields are mandatory. Here also you can see, all the three fields are mandatory. Got it. Now here. If you want to add a new field according to the customer requirement, then you have to go and create the field here. And give the proper label, enable it. And when you are giving the label, you should also check the label here also. If it is properly updated or not. You have a cross-check. Okay. And after that just save it and just go to the employee profile and check if it is visible. In this way, we can enable it. So in the add new employee also, whatever the feeling of the email information, phone information which you are feeling. These fields are actually coming from here. Okay, this all fields are coming from here. Okay, got it. Yes. Okay, so we will continue. I'm holding this session for today here because I don't want to go in a very fast track. So just take your time when you get the time. You try to go to the add new employee, open one screen and also try to see the management of this one. Try to compare it and just try to do simple modification by enabling it, disabling it. Okay, but don't try to hamper any standard feeling. Okay, so that in that way you can able to see if the changes are reflecting or not. So in the coming session anyway, I will show you how to create the custom field, how to make the changes. Okay, all this part 1 will cover in the next session. Okay, but when you are going with the add new employee and when you see certain fields are there which is not required, or you want to make it disabled or make it inactive for a while, that also we can able to do it. But when you're going with add new employee, you should save as a draft. So when I duplicate the screen and when I open this, and when I go here, when I click on add new employee, let me if I am taking. When you click on continue, Here you can see you have an option here to save as a draft. Can you see here right side? A button will be there right side below. Is it visible or not visible? Cancel save draft. Yes, it is visible. Yes. Okay, so now you are working on particular section and you see that, okay, this field, it is not required. Now you can see this badge IDC. It is.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.